To create an area chart, we come over to the Visuals ribbon and we can find the icon for the area chart on the second row on the left-hand side. Click on that once and a template appears on the screen. Click and drag to position it wherever you want and resize using the nodes on the corners and on the sides. I'm going to make this nice and large and position it in the middle, and the crosshairs let me know I'm in the middle of the canvas, and I just let go. The area chart typically is used to show data over time. So in this particular example, we're going to grab the month from the date of sale. I'm going to click and drag that into the x-axis. Nothing much happens apart from the month appearing on the top left-hand corner of the visual. I now need to add some data. So I want to understand the volume of the property type that was in that particular month. So I'm going to come back over to the data ribbon. I'm going to click and drag the data and pop that into the y-axis. And now my area chart has actually been created. If you look on the y-axis, you can see that Power BI has actually counted the property type. And if I come over to the actual visual, you can see here for the month of October that is counted a total of 9 property types within that column for the month of October. Now, some would say that's complete, the area chart is done. But with Power BI, we can add another layer of information. So I'm going to come back to the data ribbon and I'm going to grab the property type again, because I know there are 3 different types of property type within this data set. And I'm going to pull and drag that and put that into the legend field. And now my area chart has changed. And we can see we've got 3 different colors within the area chart: orange, a light blue, and a purple. And if we look at the legend at the top, you can see that they are representing commercial, residential, and vacant. If I hover over the month of April, you can see the data label then does a count for me on those 3 different types of property types. Now, I don't actually see data labels appearing on the actual visual. I can do that by coming over to the Format Your Visual. Click on that once, come down, and the data labels are actually showing us off at the moment. So if I click on that radio button once, my data labels appear.